Welcomed by Nehru, the Dalai Lama began life in exile. He has lived in exile ever since.
The remnants of a nation scattered like dust over a vast continent. A holy man as their leader. A man who turns his face against violence and forgives his enemies. Who commands that the children are taught to love and not to kill. What hope have they in a world dominated by brute force and the hydrogen bomb? Yet how precious is their philosophy of peace. How poignant to hear once again the echo of those words spoken nearly 2,000 years ago in Galilee. Love one another.
Our children are the jewels and precious hope for our future.
The wind of evil, no matter how fiercely it blows, cannot extinguish the flame of truth.